So this is my 3D printed ukulele or ukulele that I designed for the Printables musical instruments contest. I just wanted to kind of introduce it here since you can't put a video on Printables, but I thought that would really show it better than just showing pictures. And so, yeah. I think it sounds pretty good, and the design I have on top is the splash design that I have, and I have a handful of different designs that you can pick from. So to do the tuning pegs, I have these screws here which push into little pads here which push into the tuning peg. So as you tighten down the screw, it will increase the resistance on the tuning peg. So you can tighten it to just the right amount so that the string tension does not turn the pegs, but you can still turn them with your fingers. And that's a design improvement I made over my original prototype, which had those going straight into the tuning pegs, and that was really giving you kind of an all or nothing on holding the tuning pegs. And also over time it was starting to gouge them, so it was getting hard to keep tuning it. But with this new design, it works pretty well. These are just standard ukulele strings. I think the design really works best with the ones that have the bead on the end, but if not, this one I just have them tied, and that seems to work pretty well too. So that's about it. I just wanted to put a little video together to show that.